Hello student, today we are going to start the another topic, that is the nucleic acid. In last few lecture we have started unit number 1, and in unit number 1 we have completed the first part, and now we are going to move towards the second part, that is the nucleic acid. As we know that nucleic acid is the most important parameter which is present in almost all living organisms. This nucleic acid is important as a genetic material, and it is also having the different characters. So in this particular lecture we are going to concentrate on the DNA, that is deoxyribose nucleic acid. So the nucleic acids are the complex macromolecular organic compounds of immense biological importance. They control the important biosynthetic activity of the cell and carry hereditary information from generation to generation. Nucleic acids were first isolated by F. Michter in 1805. Nucleic acids are polymer of nucleotides. Now up till this we got an idea that it is the genetic material. So nucleic acid act as a genetic material, and that genetic material transferred from generation to generation. म्हणजे एका जनरेशन मधून दुसऱ्या जनरेशन मध्ये कॅरेक्टर्स नेण्याचं काम किंवा कॅरेक्टर्स पाठवण्याचं काम हे न्यूक्लिक ॲसिड करत असतात. वेगवेगळ्या लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझममध्ये हे जेनेटिक मटेरियल कामाचं असतं. नॉट ओनली इन दी जनरेशन टू जनरेशन ट्रान्सफर ऑफ कॅरेक्टर, but also some other biological or biosynthetic activities also controlled by this particular nucleic acid. So this nucleic acid plays an important role in a different types of organism for the transfer of character from one generation to another generation. And the last and most important thing is nucleic acids are the polymer of nucleotide. म्हणजे एक न्यूक्लियोटाइड दुसऱ्या न्यूक्लियोटाइड सोबत अटॅच होतो आणि अशा प्रकारे एक लांब चेन तयार होते, दॅट वी कॉल्ड इट ॲज अ पॉलिमर. सो पॉलिमर ऑफ न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स म्हणजे एक DNA जर कन्सिडर केला आपण तर त्या DNA मध्ये असे खूप सारे न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स एकमेकाला अटॅच होतात आणि त्या अटॅचमेंटला पॉलिमर असं म्हटलं जातं. सो दॅट इज नथिंग बट द polymer of nucleotides. So these nucleotides are made up of different parameters. Now here you will get this phosphate is there. Okay, what is phosphate? We called phosphate as a suppose P. So phosphate is there. This phosphate is attached to the sugar, and sugar is having the attachment of base. So phosphate, sugar and base, these three are known as the nucleotides. So when we talk about nucleotides, in this particular chain you will get the three different nucleotides are attached, means phosphate, sugar and base. This is one. Then phosphate, sugar and base 2, this is second. And phosphate, sugar and base 3, this is the third polymer of the nucleotide. So these three nucleotides attached with each other and they form the chain. Just like that, another nucleotide are attached and they will form the chain. So this is known as the nucleotide polymer or polymer of nucleotide. So when we talk about nucleotides, this one, that is sugar plus base, these are the two different groups which is present in the nucleotide. This sugar plus base is also known as nucleoside. So nucleosides plus phosphate is known as nucleotide, or nucleotide is equal to what? Phosphate plus sugar plus base, that we called it as a nucleotide. And nucleotide is also known as phosphate plus nucleoside is also nothing but the nucleoside. So in this particular polymer you will get three nucleotides, and there is also having the inclusion of three nucleosides. So nucleosides are sugar plus base. Now as we know that phosphate is same in this particular chain, sugar is same, there is no change in this particular chain, but the change is over the base. here the number 1 is written, base 1, base 2, base 3. Simply it means what? The basis is variable or basis is having the change. याचा साधा अर्थ असा की या चेनमध्ये, जी चेन आता आपण इथे बघतोय, या चेनमध्ये न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स सारखेच आहे, ज्याच्यामध्ये फॉस्फेट, शुगर आणि बेस आहेत. न्यूक्लियोसाइड सेम आहेत, फक्त चेंज कुठे झाला आहे? फक्त चेंज झालेला आहे तो म्हणजे बेसमध्ये. बेस 1, बेस 2, बेस 3 हे बेसेस जे आहेत हे काय झाले, इथे चेंज झाले. सो न्यूक्लियोसाइड इज इक्वल टू शुगर प्लस बेस and nucleotide is equal to phosphate plus sugar plus base, that is known as the nucleoside. So this nucleotide called as a polymer of nucleotide and they act as a DNA. Now base is heterocyclic constituent. जो base आपण बघितला तो काय, it is a heterocyclic constituent. Then the nucleic acids are of two types. In living organism there will be two types of nucleic acids are found, or up till now it is discovered. The first is known as ribose nucleic acid and the another is known as deoxyribose nucleic acid. Now what is the difference? Oxyribose or deoxyribose and only ribose, that is the difference between the two different nucleic acid. म्हणजे दोन न्यूक्लिक ॲसिड जे आहेत त्यामधल्या एकामध्ये फक्त रायबोज न्यूक्लिक ॲसिड असतात किंवा रायबोज न्यूक्लिक ॲसिड त्याला म्हटलं जातं. अँड द अनदर वन जे आहे दॅट इज ऑल्सो नोन ॲज डीऑक्झीरायबोज न्यूक्लिक ॲसिड ऑर DNA. So the above one, that is number 1, is known as ribose nucleic acid or RNA. The below number 2, that is deoxyribose nucleic acid, known as the DNA. So RNA and DNA, these are the two hereditary material which is present in almost all living organism and known as nucleic acids. Now here you will get the difference between ribose and deoxyribose. DNA आणि RNA मध्ये काय फरक आहे तो इथे दिसेल. This is nothing but the chemical formula of ribose sugar and this one is known as the chemical formula of deoxyribose sugar. Now if you look at this particular structure carefully, you can say that there will be a small change at the second position. So here you can see this is nothing but the second position and here you will get the difference. Deoxyribose मध्ये तुम्हाला ऑक्सिजन दिसणार नाही and at ribose sugar you will get the presence of oxygen at the second position. So that is the difference between ribose and deoxyribose. काय फरक आहे? ऑक्झीरायबोज आणि डिऑक्झीरायबोज किंवा रायबोज आणि डिऑक्झीरायबोज मध्ये काय? हियर इन अ डिऑक्झीरायबोज दी O, that is oxygen molecule is absent, whereas in ribose sugar the O molecule or oxygen molecule is present. That is only the difference between RNA and DNA. The different things are, or the rather things are similar in our RNA and DNA. So this is nothing but the sugar. हे जे स्ट्रक्चर आपल्याला इथे दाखवलं आहे, दिस इज नथिंग बट द शुगर. याच्यामध्ये हेटेरोसायक्लिक स्ट्रक्चर आपल्याला दिसत आहे. ऑक्सिजन आहे, ऑक्सिजन इज हॅव्हिंग दी अटॅचमेंट टू द कार्बन, देन कार्बन, अगेन कार्बन, अगेन कार्बन. सो दीज आर नथिंग बट द कार्बन विच इज हॅव्हिंग दी अटॅचमेंट ऑफ हायड्रोजन. The only difference in ribose and deoxyribose is the presence of oxygen at the second position in ribose sugar, whereas this oxygen is absent in deoxyribose at the second position. म्हणजे जी सेकंड कार्बन आहे त्या कार्बनच्या हायड्रोजनला ऑक्सिजन किंवा ऑक्सिजनला हायड्रोजन अटॅच झाला असतो रायबोज शुगरमध्ये आणि डिऑक्झीरायबोज शुगरमध्ये हा ऑक्सिजन absent असतो. There will be absence of this particular oxygen. So that is the basic difference. Now moving to the deoxyribose nucleic acid, that is DNA in detail. DNA is found in the almost all living cells or living organism except in some plant viruses. काही प्लांट व्हायरसेस जे आहेत त्या प्लांट व्हायरसेसमध्ये DNA हा सापडत नाही. बट जनरली जे काही लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम प्लांट्सवर मिळतात, सॉरी अर्थवर मिळतात, त्या टोटल लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझममध्ये हा DNA नावाचा मॉलिक्यूल किंवा न्यूक्लियोटाइड किंवा DNA हा प्रेझेंट असतो. नाउ DNA, इट इज ऑल्सो नोन ॲज DNA. Definition of DNA. DNA is deoxyribose nucleic acid. DNA is a hereditary substance in living organism. It also found in cell of all living organism except some plant viruses. In bacteria, in mitochondria and in plastid, DNA is circular and naked in cytoplasm. म्हणजे जे बॅक्टेरिया आहेत किंवा मायटोकॉन्ड्रिया सेलमधला आहे किंवा प्लास्टिड्स आहे जसं की क्लोरोप्लास्ट, तर या पर्टिक्युलर सेल्समध्ये, याच पर्टिक्युलर ऑर्गॅनेल्समध्ये DNA हा सर्क्युलर असतो अँड इट इज नेकेड इन सायटोप्लाझम. देर इज नो एनी कवरिंग ऑर प्रोटेक्टिव्ह कवरिंग प्रेझेंट टू द DNA in this particular bacteria, mitochondria and plastids. Now deoxyribonucleic acid is a double-stranded helically coiled macromolecule which is composed of phosphoric acid, deoxyribose sugar, 2 pyrimidines and 2 purines. 4 गोष्टी याच्यामध्ये आहेत. पहिली तर ते म्हणजे फॉस्फोरिक ॲसिड, the most important thing which is present in DNA, that is known as phosphoric acid. Second is deoxyribose sugar. Deoxyribose, why? Because there is absence of one oxygen, so that is the sugar, and 2 pyrimidines are there, that is nothing but the bases. Pyrimidine and purine, these are the 2 types of bases. आपण बघितलं की 1, 2, 3 हे 3 प्रकारचे बेस आपण दाखवले होते की या 3 पेक्षा जास्त बेसेस त्याच्यामध्ये असू शकतात. इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मल्टिपल. टोटली 4 बेसेस आर देअर, 2 बेसेस ऑफ पायरिमिडिन्स अँड 2 बेसेस ऑफ प्युरिन्स. प्युरिन आणि पायरिमिडिनचे 2-2 असे 4 बेसेस असतात. म्हणजे काय काय आहे DNA मध्ये? वन थिंग इज फॉस्फोरिक ॲसिड ऑर इट इज ऑल्सो नोन ॲज फॉस्फेट. सो फॉस्फेट इज देअर, देन शुगर इज देअर. द शुगर इज deoxyribose sugar. Sugar is there. The third thing, it is having the base. So these 3 things are most common in the DNA. Pyrimidine and purine, these are the bases. Pyrimidine include cytosine, thymine, and purine include adenine and guanine. So these are nothing but the 2 types of bases. From these 2, any one can be present in the chain of or polymer of nucleotide. It is found to be most stable biological molecule which contain encoded genetic information. जे आपण बघितलं की जनरेशन टू जनरेशन कॅरेक्टर ट्रान्सफर होतात. दिस जनरेशन टू जनरेशन कॅरेक्टर विल ट्रान्समिटेड or transferred by the help of this genetic material known as DNA. Now we can take a very small look towards the chemical composition of DNA. As we know that DNA is a polymer of nucleotide, and as you know that the nucleotide is made up of different types of chemical. This is nothing but the structure DNA totally made of the chemical. So there is a purine, pyrimidine, sugar and phosphate. These all structures are nothing but the chemical structure, and that's why chemical composition of DNA is important. DNA is located in a chromosome. Okay, within a cell there is a presence of nucleus, and in a nucleus there is a presence of DNA. म्हणजे आता साध्या भाषेत असं सांगता येईल की क्रोमोझोम जो आपल्या बॉडीमध्ये असतो ऑर्गॅनिझमच्या, तो क्रोमोझोम कशाने बनला आहे? इट इज मेड अप ऑफ DNA प्लस हिस्टोन प्रोटीन. तर तिथे DNA आणि हिस्टोन प्रोटीन असतात. त्यांनी हा जो केमिकल कंपोजिशन आहे आपलं बॉडीमधलं जेनेटिक मटेरियल ते बनलेलं असतं. Each deoxyribose nucleotide is made up of 3 mitotes or 3 groups. The first is known as phosphoric acid or phosphate. The second is known as biologically called phosphate. Then there is a presence of pentose sugar called 2-deoxyribose sugar. Then the third most important, pyrimidines and purine, nitrogenous base. These bases are known as नायट्रोजिनस बेसिस. मग एकतर पायरिमिडिन्स असतील नाहीतर प्युरिन असेल, दोन्ही आहे असं नाही होणार. एका ठिकाणी एका न्यूक्लिओटाइडमध्ये कुठलाही एक बेस असेल, आयदर इट इज पायरिमिडिन ऑर इट इज प्युरिमिडिन. सो 4 मेजर काइंड्स ऑफ नायट्रोजन बेसिस हॅव बीन फाउंड. 4 प्रकार मी आधीच सांगितलं. वन इज नोन ॲज adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosines. These are the 4 types of nitrogen bases which present in DNA. Two are heterocyclic and two ringed purines, adenine and guanine, and the two are one ring pyrimidine, cytosines and thymine. Cytosine and thymine, this is one ring or single ringed structure, whereas the purines are double ringed structure. दोन गोष्टी लक्षात ठेवायच्या, एक प्युरिन आणि पायरिमिडिन. हे काय, दीज आर नथिंग बट दी बेसेस. दीज बेसेस आर ऑल्सो हॅव्हिंग दी टू ग्रुप्स. म्हणजे जर आपण प्युरिन म्हटलं तर प्युरिनमध्ये परत दोन ग्रुप्स आहेत. काय ते, वन इज नोन ॲज ॲडेनाईन अँड अनदर नोन ॲज गॉनिन. सो ॲडेनाईन अँड गॉनिन इज प्रेझेंट ॲज अ प्युरिन अँड पायरिमिडिन इज देअर. पायरिमिडिनचे प्रकार परत दोन प्रकार आहेत, एक आहे सायटोसिन आणि थायमिन. So these are nothing but the pyrimidine. So purine 2, pyrimidine 2. So these are nothing but the 4 pyrimidines and purine bases. त्यांना bases असंच म्हटले जातं. DNA is made up of 3 molecules. As we seen earlier, phosphoric acid, that is phosphate group. Then second molecule is pentose sugar, and the third most important molecule is organic bases. These are nothing but the 3 most important types of molecule which is present in DNA. Phosphoric acid is also known as phosphate, pentose sugar, and organic bases, that is purine or pyrimidine. Now here this is nothing but the phosphoric acid or phosphate group. Now you can clearly see that the phosphate group is having one P, that is phosphate, which is having the attachment of 4 oxygen, and this 4 oxygen is having the attachment of 3 hydrogen. म्हणजे याचा जर फॉर्म्युला आपण बघितला तर याचा फॉर्म्युला होईल H3PO4. So H3PO4 is known as phosphoric acid, or it is also known as pentose sugar. So this is nothing, sorry, this is also known as phosphate. Phosphoric acid is also known as phosphate. So this phosphate is having 3 hydrogen, then 4 oxygen and 1 phosphorus. So H2PO4 is the formula of phosphoric acid. Now these 3 hydrogen molecule which is attached to the oxygen, from these three one is removed and the latter 2 act as a attachment for the attachment to the pentose sugar. So this pentose sugar is having the attachment with this particular 2 hydrogen. So 2 hydrogen get involved in the attachment to form the chromosome or to form the DNA structure. म्हणजे DNA स्ट्रक्चर बनण्यासाठी हे 2 हायड्रोजन जे आता तुम्हाला दिसतात उरलेले, हे 2 हायड्रोजन महत्त्वाचे आहेत. Now looking towards the pentose sugar, here you can get this is nothing but the pentose sugar. In this particular pentose sugar you can found that at the second position there is only hydrogen is present. There is no any inclusion of oxygen or anything is not there. So we can call it as a pentose sugar with the 6 carbon atom. You can measure it. This one is the first. Here you can see first. Here this is the second. This one is the third. This one is the fourth, and this one is the 5. 5 carbon is there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 oxygen is there. Along with that, the hydrogen molecule is also attached to that particular sugar molecule. So that is nothing but the pentose sugar. Now the another one is there, that is known as organic bases. अजून एक प्रकार असतो तिसरा जो DNA मध्ये अटॅच झालेला असतो त्याला म्हणतात ऑर्गॅनिक बेसेस. फॉस्फोरिक ॲसिड समजलं आपल्याला. पेंटोज शुगर जे आहे ही रिंग आहे हेटेरोसायक्लिक. आणि आता ऑर्गॅनिक बेसेस जे असतात, ऑर्गॅनिक बेसेस आर ऑफ मेजॉरिटीली 2 ग्रुप्स आर देअर. वन इज नोन ॲज प्युरिन अँड अनदर इज नोन ॲज पायरिमिडिन. खाली जे तुम्हाला दिसतात आहे थायमिन आणि सायटोसिन. This thymine and cytosine are nothing but the pyrimidines, and this two cyclic structure, you can say, that is adenine and guanine, is known as the purine. So the top is purine and below is pyrimidine. So purine and pyrimidine, these are the bases which is present in the DNA. So we stop with this particular. What we have seen, DNA is made up of three most important parameter. One is known as phosphoric acid, that is phosphate. Then second, it is having the sugar and pentose sugar, and the third most important thing which is present in DNA, that is the bases. Purine and pyrimidine, these are the two types of bases. From these, pyrimidine again having the two different bases, and the purine is having the two different bases. So in all total there will be a 4 bases, and these bases get attached to form the nucleotide. So with this lecture we can stop today. Watch this lecture 2 times so that you can understand the basics of DNA and chemical composition of DNA. In next lecture we are going to discuss the parameters like DNA structure.